Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. And the only way to access the bulb, which is in here, is to remove this top bolt and this bottom bolt. So you have to open your tailgate to get to those bolts. And you're going to use a number 10 metric to remove those. So once you loosen those with a ratchet, then you can finish the rest with just your fingers. And all you do is jiggle it a little bit on the top and on the bottom. Pull it backwards. As you can see, it's got these little tabs here on the top and on the bottom that go into these holes here. So when it comes time to put it back on, you have to line those up into those holes. So in order to access the brake light, it's going to be this big one here in the middle. And what you do is you see it's got tabs here that you can clamp your fingers on, twist it counterclockwise, just like a quarter turn, and then you can pull it out. And there's your bulb. And all you do is push that up, and it pulls it out from those clips there. And it even tells you on the side here it tells you right here which bulb to get. $31.57. So then once you've got your new bulb pushed back in place, simply push that back in, get it seated properly, and then twist it clockwise that quarter turn to lock it back in place. And then to put it back in, like I said, you're going to make sure that none of the wires are trapped. You're going to line up these tabs in those proper holes, and then just push it back into place there. You can see that the holes are lining up here and on the bottom. So once you've done that, you can start the bolts just finger tight. Just tighten those all the way up by hand. Use your ratchet to tighten those back up, and you just want them snug. If you do them too tight, you're going to crack the plastic, so just do them snug. Don't over tighten them. And you close your tailgate. And there you have it. It should only take a couple of minutes. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I appreciate that. Hope it saves you money from having to go to the dealership.